Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today we're going to be making some coleslaw. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So I'm only making a small batch of coleslaw today. I'm literally using less than quarter of a medium-sized cabbage, and I've just got this little gadget. I'm just going to literally shred the cabbage. And this is the size that I like to have my coleslaw. Just want to say thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel. I really appreciate your support. I do like to use a little bit of red cabbage in mine, you know, just to give the coleslaw a little bit of color. Now I'm just going to go ahead now and grate my carrot. Also gonna add this is about half of a spring onion that I've finely chopped. Also gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of parsley. Now you can use fresh parsley, but I do prefer to use dry parsley in my coleslaw. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. I'm gonna go in with roughly about a pinch of salt. About half a teaspoon of white pepper, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, a squeeze of lemon juice, so roughly about half a teaspoon, and about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now I do like to use a good brand mayonnaise. Don't bother with a little thinky mayonnaise and what don't have no taste, because then your coleslaw just a go taste like a spoon of hot water, to be honest. So yeah, no, that's not gonna happen, guys. Just spend a couple more pennies and just get a good quality mayonnaise. Now once that's done, just combine all of this and coleslaw's done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. And as usual, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself.